I'm Dr. Richa Tiwari. I'm a radiation oncologist at Vaidehi Cancer Center, and today I'm going to talk about hyperfractionation. Radiation therapy conventionally is delivered in daily fractions over many weeks depending on the site of cancer. So in hyperfractionation, it is a form of radiation therapy where larger doses of radiation is delivered over a much shorter period of time. And it's usually offered in many commonly occurring cancers like breast and prostate. So traditionally, after lump removal in the breast cancer, the patient has to undergo radiation to the entire breast for a period of at least 5 to 7 weeks. The major drawback of this type of treatment is the inconvenience of a lengthy treatment and possible side effects due to unnecessary irradiation of the healthy tissue underlying the breast like lungs and heart. But with hyperfractionation, the rationale is as the recurrences occur in and around the original site of the tumor, so it makes sense to treat this region, that is tumor bed and the high risk region surrounding it, to much larger doses of radiation over a shorter period of time. This is called accelerated partial breast irradiation, which can be delivered in just 5 days. Similarly, for cancers of prostate, radiation treatment is very lengthy. It can span over 7 to 8 weeks, which can be disruptive for the patients. But with hyperfractionation and in a very localized disease, this can be effectively shortened to 4 weeks or even just 5 to 8 sessions with highly conformal and precision delivery techniques like VMAP or stereotactic body radiation therapy. So hyperfractionation radiation therapy is not only a very convenient, effective and safe treatment, it is also very cost effective for the patients, because fewer sessions means shorter hospital stay and smaller target volumes means fewer side effects. So this type of treatment, it requires advanced radiation machines, rigorous quality assurance and very well trained staff. We at Vaidehi, with our team of highly experienced oncologists, strive to provide the patients with best possible highly personalized treatment plan which is suited just for their needs. So hyperfractionation is not only a very convenient, effective and safe form of therapy, it is also very cost effective for the patient, because fewer sessions means shorter hospital stay and smaller target volumes mean fewer side effects. So this type of treatment, it requires specialized radiation machines, rigorous quality assurance and well-trained staff. We at Vaidehi, with our team of highly experienced oncologists, strive to provide you with a highly personalized, best possible treatment plan that is suited just for you. So if you want to know if you are the right candidate for this kind of treatment, please talk to us. So your health is in safe hands. Thank you.